It was a beautiful Halloween a year ago. We were all dry, 61, but it could be more of a steady rain than not for a lot of our region this evening when our little ghosts and goblins are outside. So we've had just a touch of rain pass overnight. Most of this is still up to our north. You can see if your plans call for you to get in your car and drive up to Seattle this morning, that is a steady shot of rain the entire way. It's now raining in Tillamook, Astoria, Longview, and getting ready to drop into the Portland area. Again, all of this is dropping down to the south. So Futurecast shows 8 o'clock this morning, a very wet commute taking hold across our region. The front itself comes in very slowly between about 8 and 10 this morning, and then moisture continues to channel along it. So I really like our odds of being steady rain-wise into early afternoon, which is what this shows at 1 o'clock. Behind the front, there will eventually be some breaks up to the north, just breaks in the rain, but more will be coming, probably more than what this weather model shows. Here we are at 6 o'clock. The rain still channeling into our area, and then we'll go through, the hours of 6 and 9, trick-or-treat hours, still from Portland southward down into Salem. Pretty wet. If this is correct, there would be some breaks up around Longview this evening. How much rain are we talking about? 82 100ths is what this model shows for Portland through 11 o'clock tonight. I think at least through tomorrow morning, these figures have a good chance of being correct. An inch in Lincoln City, maybe an inch of rain down in Salem as well. Here are your early morning numbers, and here on the west side we're quite mild. We've had a bit of a south breeze overnight, and temperatures have held. In fact, 58 is a rising number over the last couple of hours for Portland, and that could very easily end up being today's high temperature. Once the rain starts falling, numbers will fall, and those temperatures will hold more like 54 degrees, 53, I think, through most of the day. So some forecast numbers for you. Rainy day at the coast. Again, Astoria, you folks will be the first ones to get a break in the action this morning, and this see kind of showery weather up there. But Newport rain much of the day. There is a high surf advisory. Some of the breakers coming into the beach areas could be a good 20 feet or so high today, so some dangerous conditions with the high surf along the coast. In the valley, there are the mid-50s, steady rain much of the day, including likely rain at times this evening. Snow levels are high up on the mountain, 7,000 to 6,000 feet today, but those snow levels come down. We'll see snow over Cascade Passes first thing tomorrow morning. Here are the temperatures at 4 p.m. 50s on the west side, and there will be some shower activity moving out across the east. Burns expected, though, to be dry and 64. 7-day numbers. Chilly hail showers, maybe rumbles of thunder tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday is a dry day. Rain picks up with what could be a strong enough system for a high wind warning at the coast this coming Friday night into Saturday. Final day of October. We'll be back in just a moment.